So many people are watching our channel and they are not subscribing. Request you to please like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. And it gives me an encouragement to make more informative and useful content for our audience. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we'll check what are all the configurations that are required for payment agent. In payment agent, we can see three subcategories like payment execution assistant, payment options assistant, and suppliers offers assistant. The limitation is it is applicable only for batch payments and we cannot run manual payment. We cannot create a manual payment by using this agent. If you try to create any manual or quick payment, it will only give you a hyperlink. From that hyperlink, manually you have to go to payment workbench and process the payment for invoices. And when you talk about payment execution assistant and payment options assistant and suppliers offers assistant, payment execution assistant, it supports payment execution and monitoring operations. It reviews all payment batches and monitor process, and it will investigate if there are any exceptions. And when you talk about payment options assistant, it supports payment optimization and financial analysis. And it will compare programs like dynamic discounting, virtual card program, and all other programs it will compare. When you talk about suppliers offer assistant, it reviews all the installment details and monitors supplier responses. So now let us jump into the system and understand how you need to configure. Click on Settings and Actions. Click on Setup and Maintenance. Click on Actions. Go to Offerings. Select Financials. Now go to Opt-in Features. Here in Payables, click on this pencil icon and here make sure that you have enabled this flag called Payments Agent for Payment Options, Offers and Execution. Click on Done. Click on Done. Click on Users. Search for your user account. Click on Edit. Click on Add Role. Payment Specialist. Payment Specialist. Click on Add Role Membership. Click on Done. Click on Save and Close. Now click on Done. Now assign this role to our user. Click on Setup and Maintenance. Search for the task called Business Unit Data Access for Users. Manage Business Unit Data Access for Users. username ERPZEN, role payment specialist role, security context is business unit. Now select your business unit. Click on save and close. Now click on process permission groups. Yeah, and check what is the job that system has been submitted. Financials maintenance stream. System has submitted financials maintenance stream, and if you are unable to see this option, let me show you. If you are unable to find process permission group policies, then you have to enable a profile value. I'll show it to you. Click on task list, click on global search, go to administrator profile values. Sorry, not this task. You have to go to standard lookups. Yeah. Go to manage standard lookups. Now search for the lookup type called Ora underscore ERP underscore controlled. Yeah. This is the lookup type Ora underscore ERP underscore controlled. And look for the code called MDA underscore 366 04437. In this demo instance, I think we haven't configured that. We have to configure that lookup value. Then you can see that process permission groups. Now click on cancel. Now let us see whether that process has been submitted successfully. Yeah, it is still running. Yeah, it is succeeded. Now submit. LDAP. Retrieve latest LDAP changes. Submit LDAP. Also submit. Import resource application. Yeah. Import resource application security data. Yeah. Import user and role. Yeah. Import user and role application security data. Submit this job. Wait until all the jobs are completed successfully. Hit refresh. We'll check. So click on sign out. And sign in. Yeah. Now we'll check whether any payments agent is available. No, it is not available. Yeah. You can see the payments agent. Yeah. Click on payments agent. Here you can see the payment execution, payment options, and supplier offers. Payment execution assistant. Payment execution assistant. Payment options assistant. You can see. Yeah. Suppliers offers assistant. Suppliers offers assistant. Click on home. And in our next video, we will see how to use this payments agent. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.